the only place on Earth to see the full majesty of nature. From the roof of Africa to the deepest jungle. Rarely seen places and untold stories. There's nowhere in the world where wildlife puts on a greater show. This is the last place on Earth where you can come eye to eye with the greatest animals that walk our planet. This is Africa. Our journey starts in the far southwest, in the oldest and strangest corner of the continent. Here, the thirsty land is covered with thousands upon thousands of circles. We still don't know their origins. Poisonous plants, foraging insects, and even magnetism have all been suggested, but each ruled out. The circles don't move, and their shape never varies. They're unchanging, much like this part of Africa itself. Ancient and arid, it almost never rains on this land, yet there is water here, hidden away. To survive here, life must use every trick in the book.